Hi dear students, in this class we are going to discuss about the integral of 0 to a root x divided by root x plus root a minus x. So already we have discussed about the derivation of the integral e to the power a f of x is equal to f of a minus x. The derivation we have done already. So with that example also we have to solve one by one. And in the last class we have solved about that sine raised square x, and in this class we can solve the root x and root of a minus x. And let us consider the equation. What is that? The theorem says 0 to a f of x with respect to x is nothing but 0 to a f of a minus x with respect to x. Now the root x value will be changed for the value of whatever the root is there, that 0 to a root x divided by root x plus root a minus x. This is I equation 1. Now you have to apply the property 0 to a, the x become a minus x and x become a minus x plus a x become a minus x. Now a get cancelled, dushman ka dushman, minus of minus x will be plus x, and the equation is become 0 to a root of a minus x divided by root of a minus x plus root x. This is what equation 2. Now you have to same the procedure. What is that? Add 1 and 2. So the left hand side I plus I is equal to 0 to a root x divided by root x plus root a minus x with respect to x plus 0 to a root x divided by root x plus root of a minus x with respect to x. Now the range of 0 to a, 0 to a are same, and the denominator also same. Now they will be added, that is nothing but 0 to a root x plus root a minus x, and numerator also added, that is root a minus x plus root x plus root a minus x. Both numerator and denominator are same. Then 2i is equal to 0 to a integral of 1 with respect to x. What is the integral of 1 now? That is nothing but x. 2i is equal to x, and the 0 to a, 2i is equal to a minus 0, the range, higher range minus lower range, and I is equal to a by 2 is the answer. So I hope it is clear. So whatever the values are there, you have to substitute it one by one. So this was asked in the 2019 and 20 with theorem. They will ask the question, prove that this theorem is equal to this one and solve the example. In the last class we were solved that the example with the theorem, and in this class we have solved separate example. Already they have seen that all properties up to 5 properties and with example, and this was very important that whatever the question is there already and solved in the last class. Okay, thank you.